All right, so we are ready to solve this decimal division problem. So let's set it up in our division house. We're going to always put the first number inside of the house, so 13.8 goes inside, and our second number, 4, goes outside as our divisor. So now I'm just going to divide this like normal. Before I do that though, I always like to put that decimal up in my answer so I don't forget at the end. So I'm going to raise that roof. Remember, bring your decimal straight up. Go straight up into the answer. Now I don't have to think about it anymore. Now I'm just dividing like normal. So 4 goes into 1, 0 times. So then I go to 13. 4 goes to 13 3 times, because 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract that. I'm going to get my 1 left over. Now I can bring down this 8. 4 goes into 18 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. I'm going to subtract that and I get 2 left over. Now since I'm doing decimals, I really cannot have a remainder. So what I'm going to have to do is add a 0 here at the end into my house and then bring it down. Now I'm going to take 4 goes into 20 5 times, because 5 times 4 is 20. And I get nothing left over. So my final answer then is 3.45. Okay, now we're going to go to a new problem. And I actually want you to set this up in your math notebook and you solve it. So I'm going to have you pause the video now. When you're done solving this problem, come back and push play and I will go through it with you as well. All right, so now we're ready to solve this problem. Hopefully you already did it in your math notebook. And again, let's set it up. So the first number goes inside our house, 12.8. And our second number goes outside, 5. I'm going to go ahead and raise that roof, so bring that decimal straight up into my answer so I don't forget it. And now I don't even have to think about it anymore. I'm just going to divide normal. So 5 goes into 1 0 times. 5 goes into 12 twice though, because 2 times 5 is 10. When I subtract that, I get 2. I'm going to bring down this 8. 5 goes into 28 5 times, because 5 times 5 is 25. Go ahead and subtract that. Again, I don't want to have a remainder. This remainder of 3 is not okay, so I'm going to have to add a 0 and bring it down. Now I can do 30 divided by 5, which is 6. And 6 times 5 is exactly 30. Now I have nothing left over. That's when I know I'm done, so my final answer is 2.56. So now that we've finished our two problems, I want you to go back into the chart and see what you are going to solve for your video.